Once again, dear viewers, we are blessed to be with guests in what today is so special for us that we come again with a point. And this program intends to uplift the livelihoods of our countrymen and women, and in various dimensions. Tonight, we have a topic which is industrial and technology advancement policy. Is it the answer to unemployment today in Uganda? We are blessed to be our good guests here. On the right, we have Dr. Kenneth Tindimwebwa. You are most welcome, Dr. Kenneth Tindimwebwa. Those who don't know Dr. Kenneth Tindimwebwa, this is a head of Department of Economics at Chambogo University. And we are blessed to benefit from the dimension of knowledge, especially in the area of research and basically with the practice. We are blessed as a country to have you, Dr. Kenneth. And tonight, we hope both our countrymen and women, the viewers in this program, we will be able to share knowledge in that regard. Honorable Banyenzach Henry, you're welcome once again in this program. We enjoyed your participation in the previous program of The Point, and you are once again welcome. Those who also want to remember, you have not yet forgotten, Honorable Banyenzach Henry, I will always refer him, the great Kigezi man. And he's a former member of parliament of Rwanda West and a former minister of state in the office of the president for economic monitoring. He has dimensional experience in various ways, and of which one is interesting here. I mentioned the board advisor, East Africa, American Chamber of Commerce. We would like to bring our knowledge and experience in our sharing through this program tonight. It shouldn't stop on the commerce, which we would like also to hear that advisory knowledge. You will be blessed to hear a lot from there. And industry and technology, it is the way to go.
There is another one which I like most.
Yes, sir.
Founding General Secretary.
Founding General Secretary
of the African Parliamentary Network on the Sustainable Development Goals.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
much. I'm going to give you the opportunity to introduce yourselves, and then we'll go back, switch on to the program, the internal insight discussion of what we need to be discussing tonight. Doctor, you're welcome. You can introduce yourself to the viewers. You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Dr. Joseph. I'm Dr. Kenneth Tindimwebwa. I'm a lecturer at Chambogo University and head of Department of Economics. I'm happy to be here. Thank you so much. Looking forward to sharing the views with you.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you very much, Doctor, my brother.
Yes, sir.
You had already introduced me, but once again, Banyenzach Henry. Currently deployed at Operation Wealth Creation as a director, former minister.
Thank you.
Economic monitoring.
Thank you.
Founding General Secretary of the Parliamentary Network on Sustainable Development Goals.
Thank you.
Advisor Board.
Thank you.
East African Chamber of Commerce. Based at Dallas, Texas, United States of America.
Thank you.
And many more others.
Thank you.
Which I did, especially I did a great work with the World Bank.
Thank you.
At the time when I was in Parliament.
Thank you.
For a period of 10 years.
Yes, sir. Dear viewers, tonight as I give the brief introduction of what we intend to discuss, it is clearly understood to most of us as Ugandans and across the globe, especially on the African continent, that unemployment remains a challenge. And we would like to go beyond only just a mere talk, but yet share experience on how best.
The hurdles that the country has gone through, it has been able to make tremendous strides and progresses through the area of industry, creating jobs. Of course, coupled with a number of challenges which have hindered the agricultural sector, the industrial sector, in order to achieve its policy goals. Sorry. Despite that, Uganda has moved. Of course, we still have the challenge of unemployment. We have the majority of the young people out there, the youth who are not employed, and they are struggling to make a living. However, The question of unemployment, of course, there are general issues which holders have all been aimed at building an independent and integrated and self-sustaining economy. The country has tried to restore security and also work on economic reconstruction because of the destructions which were made in the previous years, especially in the 70s and the early 80s. Mm-hmm. Since then, efforts have been made to restore the economy, to maintain peace and security, and also to achieve macroeconomic stability. Of course, that does not necessarily mean that all has been smooth, but government has tried, of course, also borrowing relief from other countries, also from international financial bodies like the World Bank and the IMF. So a lot has been done, but of course, there are also hindrances which the country is striving to achieve for the years ahead. Uganda has made, there are so many programs which government has put in place, and work is ongoing, and we believe that if we maintain whatever is happening, and of course also trying to minimize on the loopholes and the problems of corruption and so forth, then we hope that Uganda will not remain the same. In the near future, it will move from where it is to the middle income country.
Dr. Kenneth, the overview and the background, the stock of background given, it reminds us a lot that of where you were. Indeed, a number of initiatives by the government has been proposed, and with the focus, even Honorable Banyazachi is my witness, as we are aware of the manifesto of the NRM, which talks about job creation. And with these initiatives, whereas a lot has been attended to in a way to create an environment, we usually call it, in our usual expression of ideas, an enabling environment, which could help us maybe to operate. We are now over around the period between 1986, then you were talking about the recovery plan, but we are no longer now lamenting, we are beyond that post-recovery period. Our target was that by now, most of all Ugandans are supposed to be earning 20. I remember I was part of the implementation of that program, 20 million per acre. That was the dream of the government, or the vision of the government, the target 2006, including those who are coming from the university, including those who didn't go to the university or to attain any certificate, because wealth accumulation, much as